The Business Planning Clinic is an amazing class for many reasons. One of the best reasons is that when you walk out of class at the end of the day, you will have a business plan for your next 12 months. The Business Planning Clinic is rooted in the models of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent System. We look at where you are today and where you're going. What are your goals and how are you going to achieve them? The first model of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent is the economic model. We're going to look at how many appointments you need to achieve your goal, and we're going to avoid traps along the way. The lead generation model is the second model of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, and it will show us how we get our leads, what systems we use through prospecting and marketing to get the leads we need to make our economic model work. The third model of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent system is the budget model. The budget model will help us understand our profit and our expenses. It will also help us understand how to budget in a way that makes sense so we don't spend money on things that we don't need to spend it on. The fourth model of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent system is the organizational model. The organizational model looks at what does your organization look like now, what do you want it to look like in the future, and how are you going to get there? How are you going to make those key hires to help your business grow and thrive? That's the Business Planning Clinic in a nutshell. It will absolutely help you grow your business, and more than anything, it will help you plan your business. So if you're interested in having me bring it to your market center, contact me. I'd love to see you.